Welcome to Super Stuff Unboxed.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Super Stuff Unboxed. Today we're going to be unboxing this DC Multiverse Green Lantern. That's right, it's a basic Green Lantern name because there's multiple heads and this can be multiple characters. I don't believe it says the actual name of the characters anywhere on this Platinum Edition. The characters have been around for quite some time. I mean, this is the character in the box. I'm not certain that that is the other one. I believe that this dude's name might actually just be Green Man, but I could be incorrect about that. And Arcus Chummock is the name for this type of character. Now, I love the texture on the body and the coloring. It's just like the classic style digital, except for this is smooth. We might want to do a head swap there. And then the non-platinum version, the regular version, came with two heads as well of amazing characters like Abensur and Tumor 2. And then his son actually could be that head swap with the yellow Sinestro body, because his son was a yellow lantern. So perhaps one of these Hal Jordan heads would work well, because Hal Jordan often has that color scheme. And we have some amazing Hal Jordan heads to choose from currently. I do just love the fact, though, that the Platinum didn't just give us two different heads from the base, but it also gave us different coloring, as you can see in the shoulders versus the base right here. Just absolutely fantastic Green Lantern Corps starting to take shape for us collectors. Many more Green Lanterns available in other videos. All right, let's start getting this unboxed. I'm going to start by cutting through this piece of tape and pulling everything out through the bottom. I don't care if the box gets damaged. This is never going back in. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. Ooh-wee. We've got ourselves characters. I love how they're keeping just a piece of tape to keep the stuff in. Sometimes they've been going a little bit overboard with these. Oh, it almost looks like they're, yeah, look, these green things are wet. Look, yeah, you can see the green coloring from the DC stuff often. It's a little wet. And not just the Multiverse line either. Very interesting how that works. Anyways, okay, here we go. Let's get out the black stand circle and be careful taking the card out so that it doesn't get bent. Keeping it flat. I've bent a couple of these. Live in these unboxing, just a classic card with aluminum foil or foil etching. Again, not very specific to the character. In Brightest Day and Blackest Night, just talking about the Creed and the Green Lantern Corps. They have Hal Jordan, a completely different character, as the main one. Very interesting. All right, here we go. The exact same accessories, including the lantern. So we're not getting a lot of variety here. We've done a very similar video then. The only thing really different is going to be the heads. We've got ourselves two basic white hands, and I love that the alien skin tones don't have to match, because two more white hands, they were very thoughtful in the production of these figures. People are going to really paying a lot for these. Very excited about having another Green Lantern. It's surprising how many different versions of Green Lanterns they've come up with so far. I love that. Oh, this one's gonna be good. The blasting Green Lantern classic action you can get. So cool. All right, and now the stuff that's taped in. Just a little bit of a blast. You could almost do like this. Just a hand, the hand firing, then the hand. Do yourself a little mini stop motion. Oh, I think I cut myself somehow right there. Interesting. Man, watch out. Unboxing videos. I'm gonna have to watch that myself and see what happened. All right. An energy shield that looks like fits just around the wrist perfectly. Very small. Not something you're gonna obviously use with the hand at all. Very cool. And now I love the detail that was included on the Abansori Sinestro heads. All right. Oh, this dude. Let's check him out. All right. The detail is exquisite. It's like they want you to just keep buying so that these kind of exquisite details don't go to waste. Yeah, it'd be a shame to just pop some Hal Jordan heads on. Very cool sculpt. All right, Green Man. Now, I'm a big Green Lantern fan, but not super familiar with that character. Definitely have seen this guy in. It makes sense. All right, so Habs not being careful. Should have known better. This is still just an absolutely amazing figure. Again, the wetness. Okay. Yeah. There we go, people. Putting it side by side with the non-platinum version. We've got ourselves just different paint up to the shoulders and different paint on the top torso. The midsection is the same. So really they just, these three pieces, or excuse me, plus these on this side, it's colored a little bit different. Super cool classic core. Since it's an unboxing video, let's actually show everybody. These heads do seem to come off pretty easily and pop on a little bit more easily than some DC Multiverse. And then you still get a great amount of articulation. Man, look at this dude. Not a big neck this way, but yeah. Cool. All right. Put him next to another alien of another sort. I'm so excited. And finally, to wrap this up, yeah, you can tell once this wetness goes away, even with that scratch, that this is a higher quality. The texture isn't free. Yep. Very similar, except for the texture though. And then obviously the neck coloring is more utilitarian with this frame. Super cool. All right. In brightest day, in blackest night, all of you should like and subscribe. No, seriously, it would help with the algorithm. We appreciate you, whatever you do. Let's take some pics. Yeah.